You know that delicious vanilla sauce that's served over warm bread pudding? Well, it's super easy to make, takes about 10 minutes, and only uses a few ingredients. Start off by adding 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream to a small saucepan. This is a 1.5 quart saucepan. Turn your stove on medium-high and add in 1/4 cup of water and start to let that heat up. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, which I like to use this because I can actually get in there and whisk, add in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 large egg yolks, yolks only, so make sure you separate them, and whisk that together a little bit. Then whisk your cream and water mixture and bring it just until it starts to bubble on the top. You do not want a full boil, but we do want to heat it up so that we can temper the egg yolks. As soon as you start to see the bubbles, make sure you immediately reduce the temperature down to low. Pour about 1/4 of the hot cream into the egg yolk and sugar mixture and immediately whisk that up. This is called tempering the eggs, and it's going to prevent them from cooking like scrambled eggs would when we mix it in with the cream. Now you want to turn your heat back up to about medium. And we're going to slowly add in the egg mixture. And while you're adding in the mixture, you definitely want to whisk the entire time to keep everything moving around in the pot so you don't scramble your eggs. If it's your first time making anything like this, which is like a custard, you can certainly turn your heat down to low while you do this. Then we'll bring it back up when we add the cornstarch. You want about 1 tablespoon of either vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Either one will work just fine. Add that in. And then make a cornstarch slurry with 1/4 cup of water and add that into your custard mixture. And now we're gonna bring this just until it starts to boil. Cornstarch requires heat to activate. This is going to thicken the custard and make our vanilla sauce. So custard, we would take it a lot thicker than vanilla sauce, so the ratios are a little bit different. Whisk constantly until it starts to boil just a little bit, and then turn the heat off on your stove. Take the pot off of the heat, add in a pinch of salt, which is about 1/4 teaspoon, whisk it, and then let it sit and cool for a few minutes before we put it into our container. Put your vanilla sauce into the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 4 hours. Overnight is better. And now it's time for our delicious vanilla sauce. It has thickened up nicely now that it has been in the refrigerator, and it's gonna be perfect on this warm bread pudding that I've already put a little bit of caramel sauce on. So we're just gonna drizzle this right over top. Oh my goodness. And then dig in. This is the perfect dessert sauce. It is great on berries, apple pie, and pumpkin bread pudding. This sauce is delicious.